Go in quite yet.
So we are marching towards Times Square.
Before we do this, let's get his name. Safety first.
You're right, we don't know him.
What's your name, buddy? Kingsley. Make some noise for Kingsley. Do you know what's going to happen?
Tell him.
My nephew,
Yeah.
he's going to run, jump,
Jump.
and flip over your head.
Over your head.
But that's too easy.
Too easy.
Hey, buddy, you in the yellow hat. Raise your hand. We have a volunteer. Everybody come Let's go. I need sexy guys. You're sexy as hell. Let's go. It's okay, baby. It's okay. She's running. Kingsley, come here, buddy. Face me. Step one.
Step one.
Over the king.
Over the king.
Step two.
Step two.
Over the guy.
Over the guys.
Fellas,
Open
we're
this
gonna
up.
need you to take a knee.
Take a knee.
If you can't get up, don't get down. Take a knee, fellas. Kingsley, arms out. Legs straddle.
Legs straddle.
Head down.
Head down.
Don't move.
Don't move.
If you move, you will turn black. You want to turn black? Kingsley said no.
Come on, man.
I don't don't blame him. It's a tough job. I worked there. Tough crowd. That was funny. Don't move, Kingsley. Let's do it.
Ain't bad if you let shit slide. Ain't bad if you gotta deny.
Everybody clap your hands. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody clap your hands. Here we go. She likes chocolate? Hey, I see you, girl. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you guys saw the first jump. If you're ready for this jump, everyone say yeah! Yeah! Now, ladies and gentlemen, listen up. My family and I, we've been doing this show for 10 years.
10 years.
We know. Once we run, jump, flip, land. Perfect. 85% of you are going to walk away and leave.
Leave, why leave?
Ladies and gentlemen, that's not right.
No.
We didn't leave when you guys got here.
No, we didn't.
So if you're going to leave,
Please leave it here.
and remember, an average donation for a jump like this is $20.
$20.
If you don't have a 20,
Give us 210.
that's good. If you don't have 2 10s,
Give us 4 or 5.
now we are going to take your jump.
Yes.
First, we're going to come around. If you don't have cash, we do accept Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay, EBT. The government is back.
Ain't bad if you let shit slide. Ain't bad if you gotta deny. Big guns and a lot of zip ties.